EM Studios is a well-known name among rhythm game fans, but when it comes to AI-driven search and discovery, the publisher faces a critical challenge: brand invisibility. Despite publishing hit titles like DJ Max and Superbeat, PM Studios is often misclassified by major AI models. This misclassification isn't just a minor issue, it's a structural problem that affects how the brand is found and recommended online. In this video, we'll explore why PM Studios, despite its strong game catalog, is invisible to 1 out of 3 leading AI models, and what this means for its future in the competitive indie publishing landscape. One of the most surprising findings is that Claude, a major AI model, scores PM Studios at 0 out of 100. Why? Because it confuses PM with project management software like Asana or Jira. This single ambiguity causes total invisibility in one of the most used AI systems. While Perplexity and ChatGPT recognize PM Studios as a rhythm game publisher, Claude's misunderstanding means that anyone searching for PM Studios through this model won't find the publisher at all. This highlights how critical clear brand identity is in the age of AI. The indie publishing world, visibility is everything. Devolver Digital, Team 17, and Annapurna Interactive lead the pack, thanks to strong brand identities and viral marketing. PM Studios, despite its niche dominance in rhythm games, lags behind with an average AI visibility score of just 40 out of 100. Its competitors are recognized instantly by AI models, making them the go-to recommendations for gamers and developers alike. This competitive gap is not due to the quality of PM Studios' games, but rather the lack of clear brand association in AI training data. EM Studios has several strengths. It's highly associated with DJ Max and Superbeat by Perplexity, and it's recognized as a top rhythm game publisher. The dual model of physical and digital publishing is also noted across AI models. However, there are critical gaps. Claude's misclassification, missing product news, and lack of publisher-level brand identity all contribute to low visibility. Even ChatGPT misses key details, like co-founder David Hung and the founding. These gaps show that the games are visible, but the publisher brand is not. Different AI models describe PM Studios in very different ways. Perplexity sees it as a world-renowned developer and publisher, deeply tied to rhythm game franchises. ChatGPT recognizes its role in indie and niche publishing, especially its physical distribution model. But Claude doesn't recognize PM Studios as a game publisher at all, instead suggesting project management tools as competitors. This inconsistency reveals how AI training data and brand clarity directly impact discoverability and recommendation in the digital age. Root cause of PM Studios' invisibility is simple: name ambiguity. In AI training data, PM overwhelmingly refers to project management, not video games. This means that unless content explicitly connects PM Studios to rhythm game publisher and DJMAX, the brand will continue to be overlooked. The solution isn't just more content, it's content that anchors PM Studios in its true category, making the association clear for both humans and AI. Solve the visibility crisis. PM Studios needs a 3-phase action plan. First, fix the name ambiguity by updating all online content to lead with PM Studios' rhythm game publisher. This includes Wikipedia, Crunchbase, and LinkedIn. Second, attach the publisher brand to every game-level mention, ensuring that DJMAX and other titles are always linked to PM Studios. Third, own the rhythm game publisher category by commissioning research, creating comparison content, and building a community presence that explicitly references PM Studios by name. Recommended content strategy is clear. Create comparison articles, listicles, and case studies that explicitly frame PM Studios as a rhythm game publisher. For example, a head-to-head comparison with limited run games, a list of top rhythm game publishers, and a brand story about bringing DJ Max to the West. These pieces should be published on high-authority gaming sites to ensure they're indexed by AI model. The goal is to make PM Studios synonymous with rhythm games in every relevant context. PM Studios games are loved by fans, but the publisher brand is invisible to a significant portion of AI-driven discovery. By addressing name ambiguity, strengthening publisher attribution, and strategically creating content, PM Studios can close the gap and become as visible as its competitors. The path forward is clear: make the brand inseparable from its games in every piece of online content. In the age of AI, visibility is everything, and with the right steps, PM Studios can reclaim its place in the spotlight.